Okay, here's a little video of our 32-foot Rogue that has hit the market. We'll do a quick outside review and then go in and take a look inside. So double entry, 1.5 bathrooms located inside. Of course, the fold down for the toy hauler. Behind this you have room for, there are 2 queen size beds back here in the back. And then we'll go inside and check out the layout. Of course, these fold out, so double screen, or excuse me, not screen, but double porches, one on each side. There are actually 3 slide outs in the unit. So 1 slide out here in the kitchen. So tons of storage here. Nice size pantry. Sitting area. Nice size sink. Go up into the master bedroom. So king size master bed. Once again, nice storage up above. Dressing area. There's 3 closets. And then there's also storage under the bed. So plenty of storage there. Come into the bathroom area here. So the bathroom you can enter from the hallway or from the bedroom. So I'm 5'10", good size shower. So plenty of headroom. This is one of the features we loved about this particular RV, was being as much time as we were going to spend in it, having the full-size shower. Fireplace, which does work, it does put out heat. And so again, this will fold out. You've got a queen size bed up top. These fold down, will go into doubles or connect. Of course, this opens out, becomes your screen porch. Excuse me, not screened again, but your outside porch. And then another bunk room up above. So that's a quick overview of our RV that we have for sale. Like I said, everything that you would need to spend a day or a year is located inside of this RV. And I'll show you again the 3 slide outs. So slide out number 1 is right here. Slide out number 2. Slide out number 3. So even though this is a 2020, it's the end of the year 2020, which was when they made the change for 2021 for the triple slides. Okay, thanks.